Today we're going to be talking about Tesla's Autopilot, Autopark, Smart Summon where it comes find you, and auto lane changes. So I'm going to turn on the Autopilot now and let the car drive. I'm driving up until now. So now I can leave my hands and the car will drive by itself. All the curves, it knows how to maneuver through the curves. It knows there is a car there, so it's not going to hit or go into that lane. So it is on its own. Now I'm gonna try to make a lane change on that side. So and the car made the lane change for me without me touching. I'm not touching on the brake or acceleration. मैले ब्रेकमा र एक्सेलरेसनमा छोको छैन, काहीँ पनि छोको छैन। अब अर्को लेनमा जाँदैछ हामीहरु। गाडीले आफै अर्को लेनमा लाग्यो। I'm gonna go back to that lane. Autopilot, there's a red light coming up over there and it says stopping for traffic control in 400 feet, and it knows it's a red light and I'm not touching anything, and it is going to stop right there until the light turns green. So it is stopped at a red light. Car stopped by itself. I didn't do anything. This is the demonstration of just the basic summon for Tesla. It's not the smart summon, just the basic summon where it goes front and back to get you out of tight spaces and garages. So let's see how it does. Press on front. It moves very slowly towards the front. यो ड्राइभर सिटमा कोही पनि छैन, मैले फोनबाटै कन्ट्रोल गरिरहेको छु यो गाडी। अगाडि पछाडि लान फोनबाटै कन्ट्रोल गर्न मिल्छ रिमोट कन्ट्रोलबाट। Now I can do reverse. For reverse, there's no one in the driver's seat. So go back. This really helps to get you out of tight spaces. And there's two big cars parked right next to you, and you don't feel comfortable or you don't fit. I have used this multiple times actually to get out of tight spaces. It has worked great. So forward and backward. That's all it does with the basic stuff. So this is another demo of the Autopilot. It's driving 44 miles per hour, staying in the lane. I'm not doing anything. And now I'm making a lane change. And now it made the lane change for me. Again, I'm not touching the brakes, acceleration, or the steering wheel. And it's maintaining the distance between the car. Now I'm making another lane change. I just gave that confirmation and the car made the lane change for me without any problem. To start the Autopark, you press on the P and then you hit the reverse and then you hit start and then it starts parking. As you can see, it sees the lane where it wants to park and then it aligns itself. So it is going through some maneuvers and then it will go and find the perfect spot and then it will park for you. Look over here that I'm not touching the steering wheel. Tesla is steering the steering wheel by itself. I'm not doing anything. I'm not controlling the brakes. I'm not controlling the acceleration. Tesla is doing it by itself. And as you can see, it found a pretty straight backward parking space, and then now it is gonna go fill in that space right there. It is still trying to make it perfect. And then now it is controlling the steering wheel, trying to adjust. So it went a little bit forward, now it's going backward. And right there, it found the parking spot and then it parked. Perfect. So this is a smart summon where the car backs up on its own from a parking space and then it comes picks you up. So I'm standing over there and now I'm telling my car to come pick me up. So it is locating me, it's trying to find me where I am at, and now it is going to come and pick me up. I'm right there. So the car knows that I'm there because of my GPS location on my phone, and now it has gone right over there. And it's trying to maneuver so that it can let me in. So I'm there and now I can drive off. It's my personal driver.